everybody, thanks for joining me in another video here for SyllaFX. So today is November the 13th, 2022. Hope everybody having a good weekend. It is Sunday and we are still before market open at 5 p.m. So it's only about 1:15 or so Eastern time right now. But we are going to do some market analysis for the euro-dollar pair and take a look to see if we have any entry zones that we can set up for potential trades to take this evening, whether it's after market open or London session or going into the New York session tomorrow. So let's go ahead and jump right into the chart here for the euro-dollar and see what we got going on. So first, what we are always going to do is go over to our 4-hour chart and take a look at our major levels. So for the most part, all the levels are already kind of set up. We got resistance here, got some rejections here, rejections there, but we want to focus at where price currently is. So there's not really anything going on to the left here, so we're going to want to kind of zoom out a little bit and take a look, see where the previous major level was. And what do you know, we do have a top here. So we got a top level resistance that's actually marked up here from the previous highs that were set up at one point or another. So we have our major zones set up. So the fact that we see that resistance up there tells us that we are coming to a major resistance level. So we want to kind of see how price reacts to that level. Now with market open, we kind of want to be careful about how that volume comes in, especially at that level. So what we're going to do, well, let's go ahead and move into the 1-hour chart. For the most part, we're still seeing uptrend, of course, so we want to be mindful that there's potential for buy positions here. My only hesitation though would be that we are at a major resistance level that was hit quite a bit ago, so we might get quite a bit of pushback at that level for some potential sell positions. So we are at that level now, so we jump into the 15-minute chart. So let's take a look, see what could potentially happen here. So all this movement that kind of started to slow down all the way up to that major resistance level. So what I would be looking for a good entry zone, a quality trade, is go ahead and set up kind of a zone right in this area here, see how price reacts to it. And then hoping that, especially we're at the major resistance there, I'm hoping we get something similar to this, a movement down to right around this level here, kind of reject that major resistance, and then come back up to that zone, that major resistance level on a 4-hour chart. As long as we can get some rejections, just like we see rejection wicks here, we want to get those wicks that close, showing that it's bouncing off of that major resistance level. As long as we're getting that, then we got potential for buy or sell positions coming all the way down potentially to this level. Now, the only thing that I would be aiming for though, just as a scalper, short-term trader to get in and out of the market, I would be looking for right around after this rejection to get at least to this level here. So let me go ahead and mark up that level. This is where we kind of want to aim for to get out of the trade. So, and then we got kind of a little small level we want to see price potentially bounce off of here if it initially makes that little move down. So if we get a sell position in here, we get price to come down a little bit, bounce off of this level, come back up, retest, wait for the retest, wait for confirmation, the wicks to close, showing that it wants to go opposite of that resistance level. As long as you get that confirmation that price wants to come down, you have a buy or a sell position there. So like I said, I would only be aiming up to about this level here. So that's about, maybe I would aim for about 60 pips right there. So let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit, get a clearer picture of that. And if I can set up my stop loss, always set up a stop loss. I don't trade without stop losses, so I don't recommend anybody to do this though, if you are especially following my trading strategies. So stop loss at about 22 pips at the top of that zone that I marked up. And this is a good 1 to 2, 1 to 3, almost 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So this is a good high quality trade here. We are at a resistance level, a major resistance level. We just want to see what price does to that level. Reject off of it a little bit, come back to retest it as long as we get the confirmation. Always wait for the confirmation. As long as you get that, then you got a valid sell position here to take about 60 pips out of the market really quick. So outside of that, that's all we got for the euro dollar here for today, the 13th. It is Sunday. Market is not open yet, but this is what I'm looking at for the Asian session and going into the London session this evening. So hopefully you guys catch these trades as well. If you do like the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe if you are watching this on YouTube. And of course, if you want to learn the trading strategies, go to SyllaFX.com. You can get the course there and learn the trading strategies that I use, whether it's support and resistance, supply and demand, and trend trading. But that's all for this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys catch a good trade this evening here. Thanks for watching. Want to become a full-time trader? Start making more money today without a full-time 9-to-5 or working graveyard shifts. With SyllaFX, you'll receive trade entry zones every day for different currency pairs. This also includes the full SyllaFX trading course, live trading sessions, and the Discord community of profitable traders. Visit SyllaFX.com today and join the VIP entry zones group, and start winning your trades with the simple and easy to follow trade entries, and watch your profits grow each day. Go to SyllaFX.com now and join the entry zones group.